When you're on the go, whether for business trips, vacations, or daily commuting, having the right mirror can make a huge difference. Hotel lighting is often harsh or dim, and trying to apply makeup or do skincare routines without a proper mirror is just frustrating. That's why a reliable travel mirror with great lighting and portability is essential. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 best travel mirrors with light, covering the features, pros, and how each holds up when you're living life on the move. Kicking off our list at number 1, Riki Skinny Mirror. The Riki Skinny Mirror is a premium travel-friendly mirror that blends high-end features with a sleek, compact profile. It's often found in celebrity makeup rooms for good reason. Despite its large rectangular size, it's ultra-lightweight and thin, making it surprisingly easy to pack in a carry-on or travel bag. Key features: the Riki Skinny comes with 5 levels of dimmable LED lighting, a Bluetooth selfie function, and a magnetic magnifying mirror. The LEDs are daylight balanced for accurate color rendering, and the mirror also includes a phone clip for hands-free video or photo capture. It's USB rechargeable, so no need to carry extra batteries. Benefits and usage. What sets this mirror apart is its combination of functionality and tech. The built-in Bluetooth lets you take selfies or film tutorials while using the mirror, while the magnetic 3x magnifier gives you flexibility for detail work. It's great for makeup, skincare, and even content creation while traveling. Usability. Despite its high-tech features, the Riki Skinny is easy to use. The controls are intuitive with responsive touch sensors for light adjustment. The magnetic magnifier and phone clip attach smoothly without disrupting your view. It sits upright with a foldable stand, and the viewing area is spacious. Durability. The mirror is made from lightweight but sturdy materials that can handle the rigors of travel. The LEDs have a long life expectancy, and the included case helps prevent scratches or cracks. Its slim design doesn't compromise strength, and with proper care, it will last you through many trips. In the second spot, we have Fancii LED Compact Mirror. The Fancii LED Compact Mirror is one of the most popular choices for travelers who want something sleek, compact, and reliable. It easily slips into your handbag or purse, making it the perfect mirror for touch-ups on the go or detailed grooming in low-light situations. Key features. This mirror features 2 mirrors, one standard and one 10x magnification. It comes with daylight LED lights around the perimeter, providing natural, bright light that mimics sunlight. It runs on replaceable CR2032 batteries, which are easy to find and last a long time with conservative use. Benefits and usage. The dual mirror setup means you can do both broad and precision work. Whether you're tweezing eyebrows, applying eyeliner, or touching up foundation, this mirror delivers clarity and accurate lighting. It opens flat at a 180-degree angle or stands up at multiple tilt positions for versatility. Usability. Using the Fancii mirror is straightforward. Just open it up, and the lights activate with a small switch. It's lightweight, easy to hold in one hand, and doesn't strain the wrist or require awkward positioning. It's especially helpful for applying makeup in cars or dim hotel rooms. Durability. Though compact, this mirror is crafted with ABS plastic and reinforced glass to resist drops and scratches. The hinge holds up well even after extended use, and the battery compartment is secure. It's designed to withstand daily travel wear and tear without losing its shape or clarity. Coming in at number 3 is the Zadro LED Travel Mirror. The Zadro LED Travel Mirror is a double-sided, foldable mirror that's perfect for travelers who need strong magnification with adjustable lighting. It's known for its excellent craftsmanship and is a practical choice for those who don't want to compromise functionality for size. Key features. This travel mirror features 2 sides, one with regular reflection and one with a 10x magnification. It has LED ring lighting and a 360-degree swivel design. The LEDs run on 4 AA batteries and are energy efficient. It folds flat into a compact case that easily fits in luggage. Benefits and usage. The 10x magnifying side is incredibly helpful for those who wear contact lenses, pluck eyebrows, or apply precise eyeliner. The LED lighting offers an even, bright glow that enhances visibility. It's ideal for use in poorly lit hotel bathrooms or even airplanes. Usability. The Zadro mirror's adjustable swivel makes it easy to position at the exact angle you need. It's stable on countertops or desks thanks to its sturdy base, and flipping between magnifications is smooth. Even those unfamiliar with magnifying mirrors will find it user-friendly and practical. Durability. Built with strong ABS plastic and high-quality glass, this mirror is travel tough. The folding mechanism stays firm over time, and the LEDs have long lifespans. With routine care, the Zadro LED travel mirror can last for years without dimming or breaking. Taking our fourth spot is Floxite 10X Magnifying Mirror. The Floxite 10X Magnifying Mirror is designed for those who need serious magnification while traveling. It's not the smallest option, but what it lacks in minimalism, it makes up for in functionality and powerful visibility. It's a staple among those with visual impairments or those needing detailed accuracy. Key features. This mirror offers 10x distortion-free magnification and features a ring of bright LED lights powered by 3 AA batteries. It has a stand that allows upright use, and it folds down into a travel case. The LEDs mimic natural daylight, making it suitable for makeup and grooming tasks. Benefits and usage. With its strong magnification, this mirror is perfect for precision tasks like inserting contact lenses, applying eyeliner, or addressing skin blemishes. The lighting is evenly distributed, eliminating shadows, and the mirror is optically true to avoid distortion at high magnification. Usability. Though it's bulkier than some others, it's easy to use and offers great control. The base is stable, and it can be used hands-free on flat surfaces. The lights turn on with a simple switch, and the folding design makes it easier to pack than its size suggests. Durability. Floxite mirrors are built with quality materials, known for their long lifespan. The mirror glass doesn't warp over time, and the LED ring remains bright for hundreds of uses. It includes a protective case, which helps prevent scratches and dust from collecting during travel. And finally, at number 5, we have Glamcor Riki Cutie. The Glamcor Riki Cutie is a stylish, ultra-portable lighted mirror that blends fashion and function. Created by the same company behind the Riki Skinny, it delivers premium features in a palm-sized design. Ideal for everyday use and on-the-go glam sessions, it's a must-have for frequent flyers. Key features. The Riki Cutie features 3 brightness settings with daylight-balanced LED lights, a built-in finger ring for easy grip, and a stand for hands-free use. It also comes with a USB rechargeable battery and a shatterproof, ultralight mirror. The slim body is designed to slip right into a small pouch or purse. Benefits and usage. This mirror is perfect for touch-ups on the plane, in the car, or at a restaurant. Its adjustable brightness lets you adapt to different lighting conditions instantly. The built-in finger ring allows for secure handling, and the stand pops out so you can set it down anywhere. Usability. The Riki Cutie is as user-friendly as it gets. A single button cycles through brightness levels, and the compact size means it's always within reach. It's lightweight yet substantial enough to use without feeling flimsy. The USB charging makes it eco-friendly and travel-efficient. Durability. Despite its dainty size, the Riki Cutie is built to last. It's made from impact-resistant materials, and the LED system is long-lasting. The mirror resists cracking or warping, and its rechargeable battery means you won't have to hunt for replacements. It's a well-rounded travel essential. That wraps up our look at the top 5 best travel mirrors with light. Whether you need high magnification, tech-savvy features, or just a stylish touch-up tool, there's a mirror here to match your travel routine. From the high-end Riki Skinny to the compact genius of the Riki Cutie, each mirror brings something special to your beauty regimen. Check the description below for links to all the products. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Travel smarter and look sharper wherever you go.